I'ma head out then.
Heard you not the type that you take home tomorrow. Is we fucking when we leave the club or not?
Let me know what you're running here.
It is 4 NSV6 15s on 4 salt 18s.
4 salt AKs? Oh man. Well, where can they find you at on social media anywhere?
Not really.
Is it Elite Euro?
Yeah, Elite Euro out here.
Okay, okay. Okay, I know about that then. Okay,
Yep.
Elite Euro, y'all be sure.
This whole line.
Yeah, I know how about that then. Y'all be sure to follow Elite Euro. Appreciate you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Still rolling?
Yeah, it's still
Subscribe
rolling.
to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
Alright, so appreciate it, man.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.